Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Claude MCP to control external apps, Home Assistant, etc. One of the biggest advantages of MCP, Model Context Protocol, is that it allows Claude to communicate with external applications, not just development tools. By connecting an MCP server to platforms like Home Assistant, Claude can interact with your smart home, trigger automations, control supported devices, retrieve sensor information, and perform many other actions through a secure connection. To make this work, you'll first need to generate an access token from Home Assistant, then configure Claude's desktop MCP settings with your Home Assistant server details. Once everything is configured correctly, Claude can communicate with your Home Assistant instance through the MCP server. The first step is to open the official Home Assistant website and sign in to your Home Assistant instance. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Profile or Security section, depending on your Home Assistant version. Within the Security section, locate the option to Create Token. Click on it. Home Assistant will immediately generate a long string of letters and numbers. This is your long-lived access token. Copy this entire token and store it safely. This token acts as Claude's authentication credential, allowing the MCP server to securely communicate with your Home Assistant installation. If you lose the token later, you'll typically need to generate a new one. Next, open your terminal. Once the terminal is open, run the command that opens or edits your Claude Desktop configuration file. This configuration file contains the list of MCP servers that Claude loads every time it starts. When the configuration file opens, locate the MCP servers block. Inside this section, paste the Home Assistant MCP configuration block. Make sure you place the configuration inside the existing MCP server section without changing the surrounding formatting. Now you'll need to replace two important placeholder values. First, locate HA URL. Replace this value with the exact local network IP address of your Home Assistant server. This should point directly to your Home Assistant instance running on your local network. Using the correct address is important because the MCP server needs to know exactly where to connect. Next, locate HA token. Replace the placeholder value with the long-lived access token you copied earlier from Home Assistant. Be careful when pasting the token. Do not include extra spaces or accidentally remove any characters, as even a single mistake can prevent authentication. Once both values have been updated, review the configuration one final time. Check that the Home Assistant URL is correct, the access token has been pasted completely, the configuration formatting is valid, all brackets and commas are in the correct places. After confirming everything looks correct, save the configuration file. Saving the file ensures Claude will load the new MCP server during startup. Next, completely close Claude, then reopen the application. Restarting Claude causes it to reload the updated desktop configuration and initialize the Home Assistant MCP server. If the configuration has been entered correctly, Claude should now be able to communicate with your Home Assistant instance through MCP. From this point onward, Claude can interact with compatible Home Assistant entities, automations, and services, depending on the permissions granted to the access token and the capabilities of your configured MCP server. It is important to understand that Claude communicates with Home Assistant through the MCP server, rather than connecting directly to your devices. To summarize, using Claude MCP to control external applications, such as Home Assistant, begins by signing into your Home Assistant instance and creating a long-lived access token from the security section of your profile. After copying the generated token, open your terminal and edit Claude's desktop configuration file. Inside the MCP service block, paste the Home Assistant MCP configuration, replace the HA URL value with your Home Assistant server's local network IP address, and replace HA token with the access token you generated. Once you've saved the configuration, restart Claude so it loads the new MCP server. With the configuration completed successfully, Claude can securely communicate with your Home Assistant instance through MCP, allowing you to interact with compatible devices, automations, and smart home services using natural language. Properly configuring the server using the correct network address and keeping your access token secure ensures a reliable and secure connection, while extending Claude beyond development tasks into powerful real-world automation workflows. And that's how to use Claude MCP to control external applications like Home Assistant. By generating a secure access token, configuring the Home Assistant MCP server with the correct URL and authentication details, and restarting Claude after saving your changes, you can connect Claude to your smart home and unlock a wide range of automation and control capabilities through MCP. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.